What's going on, YouTube? It's the AZ392. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I haven't even seen the Demon 170 in like a week and a half, and it's completely dusty and dirty, so I'm gonna clean it off today. I gotta clean the TRX too, so that will be fun, but stay tuned, guys. It'll be a good one. Guys, like I said before, I haven't even started the Demon in like a week and a half, and I don't really know what to expect. I hope the cold start's gonna be like epic, but last time a ton of smoke popped out of the engine, so I hope that doesn't happen again, because I changed the gas up. I put some higher ethanol or higher octane grade in it just to kind of help it out, because in Arizona there's only 91, which kind of sucks, and at the gas pump you really don't even know if it's true 91. But so I'm just putting the best gas I can in the area I can. I know you guys say like ship it from somewhere, but I'm still trying to look if there's some places that still do sell E85 in the area. So guys, so in my opinion, this Go Mango Orange is one of my favorite colors on the Demon 170. I was fortunate enough to go check out like a ton of them. I've seen like pretty much every color besides like the specialty colors. But this Go Mango is like a color shifting one. On the video, it looks red. It looks like that red, but it's actually orange if you're in person and you look at it. But I also have a really funny story with the Sea-Doo jet ski I just bought. I actually got scammed on it, which kind of sucks. Not for like a ton of money, $1,000, but it still kind of sucks to ever get scammed. If you guys know how it feels to get scammed, like this is not a good feeling, but what can you do, right? And if you guys do want to hear more about how I got scammed on a jet ski, comment down below, because I'd love to tell you guys. So just let me know if you guys want me to make a video out of that. Guys, so we're gonna fire up a cold start right now on the TRX. We'll click it 2 times, and there's been something a little bit happening with the TRX where it's been like scraping on the starter every time it starts, so hopefully that doesn't happen. But I just want to talk about the TRX a little bit, guys. I've had my TRX for now 20,000 miles, and I've had pretty much no issues with it. The only issues I've ever had is with the dealership, and I mean, guys, so like I said before, the only problems I've ever had was like with the dealership with buying like extra parts and stuff. And I think, in my opinion, working with the dealership might be one of the hardest things to do, like in any aspect of it. When you go to buy the car, they're your best friend. They'll do whatever you guys need them to do, or whatever, vice versa. But whenever the roles are switched and you have bought the car and you need something from them, it seems like you can't get into contact with anybody and no one's there. Stuff like that. And I hate feeling like that, because, you know, these people were your best friend at one point when they needed the sale. And now that the sale's over with and everything, I mean, they're going to act like that. But I guess that's just like a life lesson, right? Like, you got to do business with people who you think are your friends, and don't do business with people who you don't think aren't, because it just shows you who's actually going to be there for you. And I've been in situations where, yeah, I bought a car from a dealership, went to go trade it in or something, and then like it's like the whole market's changed. And if you guys keep up with the market, you guys know a lot of the times these dealerships are trying to price gouge and see who their clients are, stuff like that. And frankly, I don't blame them in some of the times, but it's like, I mean, a lot of these times you have a customer who's spending, geez, $120,000 now. I mean, a brand new car nowadays is at 120. Like a brand new nice car, I mean, supercharged V8 platform is around 120,000 nowadays, which is just crazy to say. And I know there's talk about that new Mustang and how Ford's keeping the V8s alive with that new Mustang GTD. And I was actually fortunate enough to go check it out at the auto show. But like that, I guarantee when that thing comes out, the market adjustment on that thing will be insane. Like, there's no way the dealers are gonna miss the opportunity to do what they've been doing all this time. I know that Ford and everything has been trying to cut down on it, but they say they cut down on it, and then I go to the dealerships by me, and there's no difference. So, I mean, is something really happening within Ford for them to have the change to the dealerships? I really don't think so. So I think it's going to stay the same thing with the market adjustment, or the MSRP, and raising it over sticker, which is a shame. But I personally don't think there's going to be a way around that. I just think that dealerships are, like, they already see that what it is right now, what it's for, so they're not gonna miss the opportunity. Like, they're the most, and I don't mean this in a wrong way, but these dealerships are the most blood money sucking people I've ever encountered. Anyone, pretty much. I met a few good dealerships, so I don't want to say all dealerships are bad, but I'd say a lot of high-end brand or name brand dealerships do not work with customers, and they are only looking for a sale and trying to make the most money out of people. But guys, I'm pulling up to the car wash right now. Sorry, I've been saying a lot, probably nonsense or whatever, but this is kind of just how I feel, and the car wash is literally packed. Make sure everything's closed. That would suck. Oh my god, that's bouncing. Downshift. Yeah, something was I think my next car is going to be a stick shift. Like something real aggressive. This thing's just like a got pulled over one time in a supercharged V8 Range Rover going like 144 in on the highway back in Illinois, and yeah, since then I really don't try not to go that fast. Guys, so I wasn't even recording what I just did, which kind of sucks. I just did like a first gear pull. It's just launch, just roasted the tires down, kind of spun me out. Like right before I hit the downshift, I like to start like slamming the pedal. That was a little late. That one, I'll admit that one was a little late. I mean, just some of these first gears. Guys, just got back from the car wash, and I'm gonna clean the Demo 170. I just cleaned the jet ski. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm gonna give you guys the time lapse of both of them. Guys, so how I clean any of my cars is this Meguiar's spray and just this cloth. If I have it dirty before, I'll take it through the car wash, get all the spots off, get all like the dust off. But for this one, I'm just gonna start off with a microfiber towel, get all the dust off, and then hit it with the Meguiar's. So. Guys, so I'm gonna start the Demo 170 up. I just cleaned the entire thing, so now it's pretty much spotless. I use that Meguiar's wax spray. It's pretty much my favorite thing to clean a car with. But I'm gonna start it up right now and see how it does. That's gonna be the video. I hope everyone enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have an awesome weekend.